Today in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up my fingerprint here to this power button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unload the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so far. Just in 1 second, less than in 1 second, we can unlock the device, and I just not press the power key. I'm just really simple touch it just by this way, so we can see that works correct here. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful and don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than passcodes or PIN codes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.